Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to make these flower arrangements. Very DIY friendly and very inexpensive. All of the items that I am using to recreate this flower arrangement I bought from the Dollar Tree for only $1. Yes, only $1. So keep on watching so you guys can learn how to achieve these beautiful flower arrangements. Okay, so starting off, we are grabbing our glass vases. These are cylinder vases. They were purchased from the Dollar Tree, like I already mentioned. They were only $1. And the first thing we're gonna do is fill them up with these faux pearls. I got them in different sizes, as you can see here. These are 10 millimeters. I bought some also in the size of 14 millimeters. Some were also 12 millimeter. So I'm not really, there's no like pattern to this. I'm just grabbing them and filling up the vase as I go. I realized that later in the video that they were actually different sizes. I didn't notice when I purchased them. So I also grabbed this glitter ribbon in the color, it's not like a pink, it's more of like a almost peachy color, which matches these roses that I got here also from the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna start filling up our vase with these faux pearls, and you're gonna see as I go along. But in the meantime, I'm gonna grab this flower, I don't know how you call it. It's like a piece of foam that they sell in order for you to put in your fake flowers on, so that way they stay in place, they don't come off or out, I should say, out of place. And as you guys can see here, I'm just filling up the vase with the pearls, and I'm gonna do that for up about until I reach the half of the vase. We're not doing the whole thing, just half of it. I want the pearls to be seen, that's why I chose to only do half of them. I didn't do the entire vase, as you guys will see in just a few seconds. Okay, so here you guys see me grabbing that ribbon that I said earlier is more of a peachy color than it is pink. I grabbed it to match the peach flowers or roses that you guys see in the background. So this thing brought like a peel back so you can stick it on, and I'm just sticking it on and going around the edge of the vase so that when I do put in that green foam for the roses, it's not visible to the eye once that it's in there. So that's why I put it on top of the vase, or around the edge I should say, so that that green foam is not visible. So here you guys are going to see me removing the roses, the head of the roses from the stems that they came on. Very easy to do. All you got to do is slightly pull on it and it comes off. You want to make sure that green bottom part of the rose comes off with the rose when you're pulling it, because that is what you're going to be sticking into that green foam so that they stay in place and they do not fall out. I'm also grabbing these green leaves because I use these to fill up any space where the green foam was visible. So I use those to fill up that space and make it look more pretty. I'm showing you the process of me putting this in the green foam. So I'm grabbing the rose head, I'm making the hole with that stem that's sticking out at the bottom. Once that hole is made, I am grabbing my hot glue gun, putting it into that hole, and then I am putting the rose head into that hole and holding it for a few seconds so I make sure it stays in place and it dries and it's not going to be moving anywhere. this is what it's looking like now. As you guys can see, that green foam is peeking through in some areas. So what I'm gonna be doing is grabbing those green leaves that I also took and removed from the roses, and I'm gonna be filling up those spaces where you see the green coming through with that. But before I do that, you guys see me here going around the green foam, and I'm filling up everything to make sure we get a nice pretty bouquet of flowers so that we can place it inside and on top of the vase. So here I will start filling up those spaces with the green leaves. I do have to say it made a big difference when I finished this bouquet. It looks nice just, you know, without the green leaves, but the green leaves make it pop even more. So I'm just going around looking at where, what space can use the green leaves, and as I find those, I'm doing the same process, making the hole with the stem, filling it with hot glue, and then holding that green leaf in place for a few seconds so that it does not come out of place. Okay, and here is the final product. Look how pretty that looks. It looks so realistic. So many people asked me if they were real flowers. Obviously they're not, but it just looks so pretty, and this was so easy and so inexpensive to do. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, everything was purchased at the dollar store. So each bouquet of flowers, I would say, cost me around $4, maybe $5, which is amazing because to get this done from somewhere else would have cost so much money. And here you guys will see me adding that hot glue at the bottom of this foam, which is the part that will be going on top of the vase. So I'm adding as much glue as possible so I make sure that it sticks on very well and it does not come out of place at all. So that is what I'm doing here, and then you guys will watch me and see me place it on top of the vase. So I was a little out of view here with the camera, but here what I'm doing is just pressing down as hard as possible, being gentle though, making sure not to break the vase, making sure that that hot glue sticks on the glass of this vase and it stays in place. So that's what you guys see me doing here. I'm sorry I was a little out of view, but here's the final result, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you're able to recreate this video. It is so easy to do and so inexpensive. You can change the color of the flowers, the ribbon, the pearls inside. You can add rocks, beads, whatever you guys want to match your decor for your party. And if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.